Everything begins with an idea, Tiction, the vision for a new car.
Designers, engineers, and marketing teams come together to define what kind of vehicle they want to build. A sedan, SUV, sports car, or electric vehicle.
They research market trends, competitor models, fuel economy targets, safety regulations, and consumer expectations.
Designers start with hand sketches, exploring different shapes and proportions.
These sketches are scanned and refined into 3D digital models using CAD software, such as CATIA or SolidWorks.
Exterior and interior designs are developed simultaneously. The result is a digital prototype, known as a clay model in virtual form. A full-scale clay model is created by sculptors using industrial clay over a metal skeleton.
Designers refine every curve and surface by hand and eye until the perfect design is achieved.
Laser scanners then convert the clay model back into a precise 3D digital shape for aerodynamics testing.
The digital model is tested in a wind tunnel or via CFD to optimize aerodynamics, cooling, and noise reduction. Engineers also simulate crash tests, weight balance, and chassis rigidity using high-performance computing clusters.
We must verify the wiring harness against the schematic.
The sensor integration requires precise calibration data.
Now the design is passed to engineers who create detailed blueprints of every component: frame, suspension, thousands of parts are designed to fit together perfectly, following strict tolerances measured in micrometers.
Check the tolerances on this section of the chassis schematic.
Pulling up the CAD model now. It looks like the latest revision addresses that clearance issue.
Early versions are built, called mule cars, which use existing vehicle bodies to test new engines or systems.
Then comes the prototype car.
Point, which is 3D printed or hand-assembled for testing.
Prototypes undergo hundreds of tests. Crash tests. Durability tests on 20.
Climate tests from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 60 Celsius.
Water leak, vibration, and noise testing. Software and electronic validation.
Any issue found here is fixed before production begins.
Once design and testing are complete, the manufacturing plant is prepared.
Robotic arms are calibrated, conveyor systems are aligned, and safety protocols are implemented. Each factory is divided into sections. Stamping shop makes body panels.
Body shop races you. Paint shop.
Assembly line. Quality control area.
Thousands of suppliers deliver components, steel sheets, engines, seats, tires, glass, electronics.
This is the nerve center of our supply chain, a constant, synchronized flow of materials, from car seats.
Every part is barcoded and tracked digitally.
Huge steel or aluminum coils are fed into stamping presses that cut and shape them into doors, hoods, roofs, and fenders.
Each press can apply over 5,000 tons of pressure to form precise curves and lines.
Robots move panels between machines. Robotic arms weld, rivet, or glue the stamped panels together to form the body in white, a complete, unpainted car body.
This process involves over 3,000 spot welds per car. The result is a solid, rigid structure that defines the car's final shape. The BIW is cleaned of oil and dust.
Then submerged in electrodeposition tanks outlet.
Where an electric current applies an anti-rust primer evenly across the entire body.
Hyper, even inside seams.
Next, the body moves through. Primer booth J. Color booth. Robots spray paint using electrostatic nozzles.
Clear coat booth to end.
Then it's baked in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for curing.
The result, a flawless, durable finish.
Now the painted body moves to the trim and chassis line.
Workers and robots install wiring harnesses, dashboard, and electronics.
HVAC systems, seats, carpet, and glass, doors and seals.
Simultaneously, the engine, transmission, and suspension are assembled separately, and then joined to the body in a process called the marriage.
Welcome to the exterior finishing line. Here, under intense inspection lighting, every detail is perfected before the final system checks.
Bumpers, headlights, taillights, mirrors, badges, and wheels are added.
Fluids are filled: engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and refrigerant. Each system is connected to sensors and checked automatically.
A sample from each batch is taken for real-world road testing by professional drivers.
They evaluate ride quality, acceleration, braking, handling, and interior comfort.
Before delivery, every car is hand-cleaned, polished, and its protective films applied.
A barcode system updates the vehicle's production record in the manufacturer's database.
Finished cars are driven to loading yards, parked in sequence, and loaded onto car carriers, trains, or ships depending on destination. Customs documents and VIN, vehicle identification number, data are registered. At the dealership, the car undergoes one last check.
Tire pressure, fluid levels, battery charge, infotainment updates.
Before being handed to the customer.
Now, the car is legally certified, road tested, insured, and officially ready to drive.
From a sketch on paper to a vehicle on the highway carpet, the process may take 3 to 5 years and involve over